my name is Rahul Mishra and today's topic is JSON Schema Matcher. So here we will verify the JSON schema. So whenever you are getting any responses, just like in our mocks, so let's see. When we hit a request, we are getting responses, and let me show you so that we can. Okay, JSON viewer. So when we'll paste it in viewer. When we see these things, we get the JSON. Okay, so you can see there is a schema that items and having of zero this array or having zero batters having some values and other. So there is a format and type object, those things are added inside. So to validate those things means rest assured we are verifying at some level this is data, this is value, but the values get changes, so random values and something. So we need to validate the structure of a JSON response. So that's why that thing, how can we validate those things? So today I will show you. So we will take this example. I already copied it. So we will first step is create a JSON schema. So there is a lot of online tools which will create a JSON schema. You have to paste it and generate schema from generate JSON. So it created a JSON for you JSON schema. I will show you how the things are like. Let's switch here, and we need in resource inside test resource we need to create a one file, and we will give some name. So whatever the response you are getting, you can write as per your response, and we will add this, and this is the response. Okay, so here you can see when we compare it with our responses. Okay, close and viewer. So I can compare and show you so how things are look like, and you can customize as per your requirement. So this is a JSON, and first you can be definition, schema, ID. So these are the things are there, and title is root. This is a root. Type is object. It is required mandatory, yes. So in response it will validate this is mandatory. So items is mandatory. Second, we have at the after item we have item, then we will go to the items. So this is the properties of items. Title name is item. This is for the base, the above one is for the base. Second we will go, this is structure for this one, properties, item type, object required, item. So value required inside is item. So we will go here, and this is items. Again items item having array, and it's having mandatory type is right now ID type name. So by default it will make as everything as a mandatory or required. If you don't want it in response, it is coming on you are not sure for different responses, so you can remove it and add it, but this is a structure it is followed by a. So this is a valid schema we already save it. Now how to verify it in a rest assured. For this rest assured you need to add a JSON schema validator Maven dependency. So this is a path, you can download it and reload the Maven so that it will reflect it in your class path. Now at the test level we need to first hit this request and save the responses. So responses given. Okay, we need to import the statics import and URL. Oh, this is mock, so don't get confused why it look at just. So just hitting get and it will return us. Oh, no need to write. We already getting response. Okay, so we have a response here. Now we need to validate the JSON. So first step is response dot, then dot body, and with the help of this JSON library, we need to import the JSON schema validator dot. Now matches, it's give you n numbers of option. You are creating file URL if you store somewhere. So this is a option we are providing. So just choose the schema, new file, and we need to provide the path. So we saved it here, copy path and reference, and here you can copy this path and paste it here. So this is, now we will run. If it is matched, then it get passed, otherwise it will get failed. There is another way we can also use, the very similar way, just only providing the name of the valid. So it will search inside your class path. So we will use the class path. JSON is the same, it will be the same. Then we will use validator match JSON schema in class path. Yeah, this one option. And here we need to just only provide the name. No need to provide the whole structure. Whole path. So that JSON. Yeah, this is name is more than enough. And just removing the error, and we will verify those things. If we change something like inside JSON, we will add few things. So these things will get failed. Now you can see the structure get failed, and it's giving you the warning, proper warning, syntax, ignoring ID, or it's suggesting us to add these things. And at the label skim 15, okay, first one is also get failed, so second it is not get executed. Actually this is, and this is missing. So you can see the, if response get changed, it's showing you the error for that. So thank you for